Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Phase shift controlled isolate buck boost converter with the active clamped off 3-level rectifier featuring soft switching off within wide operation range. Abstract. An active clamped off 3-level rectifier is derived from the diode clamp of 3-level inverter. It's replacing these active switches and the diode of 3-level inverter within the diodes and active switches respectively. It's a novel isolate of buck boost inverter converters featuring single stage of conversion and soft switching the wide operation range. It's developed based on the proposed of ACTLR by utilizing the ACTLR voltage, stress on the power device and passive component including the rectifying diodes. The active clamping switches, flying capacitor, output filter capacitor reduce half of the output voltage, low voltage rating switching device with the better switching and conduction performance of transformer reduce the trans ratio parasitic parameter to enhance the efficiency. The full bridge isolate bus book converter with the proposed of ACTLR is analyzed in detail as an example and optimize the phase shift control strategy is employed to realize the isolate buck boost conversion. The soft switching of all switching diodes both primary and secondary circuit side achieved whole operation range by using proposed ACTLR phase shift control strategy is the experimental prototype. We have get 380 volt output, verify effectiveness and derive buck boost converter. Introduction. So isolate DC-DC converter been widely used the application of input voltage lower or much higher than the output voltage, in which galvanic isolation is required. For example, battery source front-end converter and unitable power supply for standalone renewable power system, battery charges for electronic vehicles and maximum power point tracking converter. Renewable power generation. So the isolate converter can be classified into the category of buck boost and buck boost converters, boost and buck converters. Generally the conversion efficiency for decrease the voltage conversion ratio increase. So it's important high efficiency power conversion, oil range and renewable energy of battery for the IBB. Existing system. The existing system maximum power point tracking converter renewable power generation we have used. The isolate converter can be three category: buck and boost and buck boost. Generally the conversion efficiency decrease, the voltage conversion ratio decrease and efficiency all those will be decreased. The voltage conversion, suppose it will be boost on this, it will be increase. It's a very important of high power conversion. We have used isolate buck boost converter. Either the boost it are flexible in terms of conversion efficiency voltage range. So we have using the voltage test MOSFET is a semi-active bridge up to in the voltage output voltage. So disadvantage, the voltage double rectifier is suitable for high voltage application. The high frequency current source can be realized high frequency voltage source in series of the inductor. Proposed. The major contribution of this paper proposed a novel active clamped off 3-level rectifier is the diode clamped off 3-level inverter topology. Single stage of power conversion, low voltage stress, soft switching operation, whole operation range can be achieved with the proposed converter by adopting the optimized phase shift control strategy. This paper organized as follows: section 2 and derived IBBB presented for section 3 the principle and full bridge converter analysis detail also it will be calculated. Advantage: isolate buck boost conversion, wide voltage gain range and flexible control. However, the power has been processed through the cascade of two stage of architecture which lower the conversion efficiency. System architecture. So first you can decide the full bridge of input design and isolate buck boost converter and phase shift control. Other than the phase shift control, it will be act as the 3-level of inverter and ACTLR isolate. The soft switching pulses and voltage double rectifier, it will be automatically calculate and generated. So the waveform finally analyze and got the output. So this kind of way the architecture it will be we have used. Phase shift controlled isolator buck boost converter with active clamped off 3-level rectifier soft switch wide range application circuit diagram. First you can design for the circuit diagram for first primary side and secondary side. Primary side you can design full wave rectifier input stage. The full wave rectifier input stage, you can use some diodes and AC to DC voltage. So rectifier means it's an electronic circuit that convert AC voltage to DC voltage. It can be implemented using capacitor diode combination and unique property of diodes. So now the bridge rectifier of full wave using the combination of 4 diodes of the form bridge. So this is the advantage, convert both half cycle of the input DC output and basic electronic circuits. So first you can decide the full wave of rectifier. So it will be of the input stage in primary side, and another side you can isolate the buck boost converter. So isolate buck boost is a DC to DC converter wide of input voltage range is proposed in this paper. So the full bridge boost converter of the topologies. So the 2H modulation of this isolate of buck boost, you can use the inductor current ripple to achieve the high efficiency of input voltage range. So you can given the input voltage, it will be buck boost using the isolated and phase shift controller rather than the MOSFET we have used for the diodes. It will be act as zero voltage switching, occur external power turn on off the respective of drain source voltage near to 0 volt, effectively eliminate instantaneous of drain to source of capacitor. And 3-level inverter, the DC voltage to AC voltage, it will be power transistors and diodes act as, so that improve the efficiency, high power inverter and frequency make use the technique referred 3-level of design. So this kind of way you can use for this circuit. And this is the small part of dual active bridge. It will be act as high power galvanic isolate of DC-DC conversion. It will be used to do multi-port operation and feature several DC sources using a single converter in photovoltaic. It convert provide increase the range and of increase efficiency in particularly. So this kind of way you can provide the input for the circuit diagram and got the output from the output. So this kind of way you can get the pulses or the pulse generator from this DMUX of a particular output. So this is the final output for pulses, DC voltage current and AC voltage current measurement for the